Welcome to the Google Online Challenge. The Google's Online Challenge consists of multiple-choice questions to assess your general cognitive ability, GCA, aimed to be completed in 30 minutes. Please make sure you have a stable, reliable internet connection. Please have your Google Online Challenge ID and the challenge pass key ready. This will be required to start the challenge. You may register and attempt the challenge only once with a single valid email address. We need to ensure that we keep the opportunities fair for all Google candidates. Taking the challenge multiple times under various email addresses will impact your application with Google. The challenge has to be attempted and submitted within 30 minutes. Attempt the challenge only on one browser. We highly recommend using Google Chrome or Firefox. Once you launch the web page, please do not close the browser. Please have a mathematical calculator, pen, and paper for the challenge.
What is the duration of Google's online challenge? This online challenge, with a duration of 30 to 60 minutes, will include questions that test the following: general cognitive ability, series of logical reasoning and problem-solving questions that will help us gain a better understanding of your cognitive skills, and/or role-related knowledge, series of role-related questions that will help us gain a better understanding of your technical skills, and/or coding, series of coding questions or puzzles that will help us understand your level of coding capability, in cases of tech roles only. The challenge duration varies from 30 to 60 minutes, and the final duration will be specified in the invitation mail sent to you prior to the challenge window. A countdown timer can be found on the top right of the challenge page. Please attempt all questions during the time limit, and ensure you have a stable internet connection.